Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah Sniawbhalang dhar hakas ngipalai jong katayau ulong batang syudap ya ke New Shillong Township kan penduna ya ke jingkhapngiah ba jingkhapngiah hakan nong ba Shillong hadu sanpau nakasispa.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah Sniawbhalang dhar habai keren bikinong patai kubor ulong ba jingkhapngiah ba jingkhapngiah kelanang jor kat banang mi kisngi kumta kat ba ompatla banchna ya ke New Shillong Township on ompatla banweng ya ke jingkhapngiah hakan nong ba. Ulong bakum usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala rengkat bat Menteri Rangba kle shemekarai ban peniat cakmat ke Smart City haga New Shillong Township bat cisin beladap ekane kan weng hadu sanpau nak sispa ek jingkhapngiah bat ke jingkhapngiah uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulong baga kam menta kaliat cakmat nak benta ban snai ke surok 4 lane na mau pedang shadu ding paso bat ke sarkar kanyale ban penyok pisa sa sispa sanpau kelur tengka na ketenat duna na kebenta banyok penyaso ebrok kisurok ke badan hakeleng jong kenong ba Shillong. Uli itu ba ke jingjrong jong kesurok banchnai kesurok 4 lane kan long tanggum balai kilometer AA. Henry hasilinter jong kesurok ke bakat ar kilometer on chnai kesurok 2 lane balamang sispa kandai pau kelur tengka banchnai ke 4 lane. Bala aipor kontraktor banchna pendap ing kesurok hapo ubnai leber jong ke senem banwan.
You see, until and unless we are able to bring this many of us to the new township, this problem will keep arising. So that's why I take a decision, me and CM, to move to the smart city, to new township immediately as possible. Once that's done, I'm telling you 50% condition will be free from here. Now from Padang toll gate, 4 lane is already started, you didn't see anything, full swing. And I'm going to get another 150 crore from Divine to get connected all in the all new Shillong land. I think short I'll get 150 crore from donor to give road to all the land which has not been connected within the old New Shillong. So with that I'm building very small for traffic. No, not that. I'm talking about within the government first. And this so it's already there. Even recently we had widened to 12 kilometers from over one, and now we are yet to go for the second phase from Mopdang to that portion. And after that, if we reach quiet, time will come, like quiet, no issue. 190 crore. We already instruct the conductor to complete at earliest.
The total length of kat kilometer.
Those are rough because during accident you may plus minus. It may be about 12. 12
Can you pro kat 4 lane?
No. The 4 lane may be between 2.5 to 3, and the rest is 2 lane. But with paved shoulder, cycle track, everything is as per model, new model system.
Ha kabayday ba jingkhapngiah kanong ba Shillong. Uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulong ba sarkar kala persang ban perking da kumni kumtai. Hendrai kali opdiang iki babon gijing ujor bat kani kamat kalong ka ba bha. Ulong baman la kapor la persang banwat kilat klenti banweng ya kani gijing hendrai amshim lala satya banweng khamtam habaman la kasngi kimi gi kali thmai haki surok. Ulong bula dat betha ya ka deputy commissioner bagan pet ikijaka na kabenta ki boss saw bagini ban kentiu bat penhiar ginong song boss bat kani ka kam garang ya cekmat namar kamlong kabayaha bagi boss saw kinchusange agi surok kat bakimon nalor kani ulong baki bor ki berikmi kum ki enforcement kin sakmi benya ekjing kamai bean ki arshaka namar omdan mano menuru ki bala banyat na kamai heki surok klem dadan ki kot kisla ki babiang.
You see, this one actually not linked directly from me. There is a committee headed by Home Minister or a home something, because traffic is regulated by the Home Department. So there is some other line department also. So they try to regulate from time to time, frankly speaking, but there is no perfect solution to all these solutions. So because with increase of vehicle every day, and simply you cannot simply say impose odd event because we receive complaint and this is the duty of the deputy commissioner. So it seems all this thing about this traffic, so they are still on the job between the home department, especially with the district administration. I received some complaint where I referred to DC. What did he say at the meeting?
Uba Sniawbhalang dhar uba kemi iru ya ketenat penroisor ulong ba ompat kwa ban keren ya menta ha kabayday bat kajingtian bishar ke yang syari halor kamat temmetor. Ulong bak sarkar klekren bonsien bat ka harijan panchayat committee hendrai ke sarkar kan sale bet ya kabadai ha kapor ke babiang tam. Ulong banamar bagane kam karang don hapok yang syari kumta ke sarkar kan hap ban pet benia abrok kiliang kanang bakan ummi kanu ka kenrum kenram.
Ni kerja tu bergerak lagi motor ni bah pokok kami kita kerja orang bah kia kan bakla buat kita sokok.
Just read the matters and the code, no comments on that. That is slightly confusion, so no comments on that.
Amut kan lagan kan haji kedua.
Don't worry, you'll know. So we have discussing from time to time. When negotiation take place, always plus minus under. But we are trying to do our best from the comment side. We will do it at the right time. Don't worry. So since the matter is in the court, so we have to check the pros and cons. We should not contradict ourselves as the government. Simple as that.
Uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulaong bakatanat penroisor bat katanat home jails. Kila dapsoi ke saskular na kebenta ban penkendria ano ya ke Shillong District Jail syaka New Shillong Township. Haga jaka kebedan arpusan akar. Ulaong bayamenta 4 la ban tip katno kan poi ke jinglot ban snai ke jail ke bathamai. Namar 4 dap ban penkrea ke detailed project report. Uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulaong bakatanat penroisor kan sasna ya ke commercial complex ke bandon ya ke mall bat ke jaka penyang kali. Haga jaka ke badan ke Shillong District Jail menta Hajil Road Shillong.
Agreement has been signed and the land from jail so already are marked. We have to sign agreement. After that, we will go for the sanction of the new jail. No, 25 acres.
Siya news lang.
The new lands.
Mau kan kan poi ka estimate pat bantay
That,
project.
no, that how will go? But after the DPR only. No.
Hello everyone. In this video we will be discussing some facts about chocolate cyst and endometriosis. This term is very commonly heard nowadays, that is endometriosis. Endometriosis is a progressive disease of females that starts at a very young age, and the most common symptom of endometriosis in girls is painful menstruation. So how chocolate cyst causing infertility? There are 3 ways that chocolate cyst cause infertility. Number 1, the one or both the tubes might get blocked due to chocolate cyst. All the nearby pelvic structures are adhered due to a sticky substance released from this cyst and thus causing the pelvic adhesion. With the pelvic adhesion, actually the female anatomy or the part of natural conception is totally disturbed, and hence the natural conception is not possible with chocolate cyst. And the third one is it decreases the quality of the ovarian eggs. So in this video we'll be discussing about the fertility enhancing surgery for the chocolate cyst and the disease of endometriosis. So with a 1 hole or 2 holes, we through a laparoscope we remove the cyst, clear the endometriotic spots and then take out the cyst with that pinhole. What are the advantages of these pinhole surgeries? The patient can be discharged in 24 hours, there is minimal or no blood loss, natural conception is restored within 3 to 6 months. But if you ask the disadvantage is that as it is a progressive disease, so the cyst might recur within 2 years of operation. So if you have any queries, more queries regarding this fertility enhancing surgery regarding endometriosis, you can surely contact us. We will try to help you.